A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. You ever hear some people pray some bad prayers for some people, for some bad things happen to them because of where them do them? Yeah, man. David did pray them kind of prayer that too. But Jesus, they give you one different way. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, no matter wait, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Romans, them, chapter 12, from verse 9 to verse 21. You must love people with all of your heart. You love must real. Hate everything we wicked and hang on tight to anything we good. Love one another like brother and sister. And fi always put brother and sister before self. Fi work hard and not lazy. Must ever want to serve the Lord with all our heart. While wait for the sitting there where God promised to go no, must happy because know say you're not gonna get it. When trouble take not fi give up. But must go on hold strong and fi pray all the time. Never tap. If church brother and sister know have what they need, fi share what you have with them, and must ever ready fi take in people where travel and now know if stay. The people where cause fi suffer, must pray and ask God fi bless them. Always ask God for bless people. No pray and ask him if do nothing bad to them. If people happy, you fi happy with them. If them a ball, you fi ball with them too. Live good with one another. Don't get full of yourself and feel like say you can't do certain work or talk to certain people. Instead of that, humble yourself. If somebody do you something wrong, nobody do them back nothing wrong. Always try to do what everybody think right. If it can't happen, do everything when you can do to make sure say you live in a peace with everybody. Brother and sister, if somebody do no wrong, nobody take it upon yourself to make them pay for what them they do no. Left them to God, make him judge them. As same so you write down in a God word that the Lord say, I feel me job to make people pay for the wrong way them do. Me will punish them. But if your enemy hungry, give him something to eat. If you want something to drink, give him something to drink. When you do that, I like you a pile up hot coal pan your head. No make wickedness beat you, but beat wickedness with good. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.